Christmas is on the door, and you have no idea what you should buy. For your family and friends, the ones you love the most, I am going to show you the best Christmas gifts you can buy for your family and friends. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with our daily videos. So here are the top 10 best Christmas gifts you can find in 2022. On number 10 in our list, we have an Earth floating on a magnetic field with an additional LED light on the bottom. It's a beautiful and not so expensive gift. Number 9, Alexa. Alexa is always a helping hand, as the past has shown, so Alexa would be a great Christmas gift at an affordable price. Number 8, we all love traveling, and Christmas gives us more reasons to travel, and often we lose our keys or they are hard to find. So on our number 8 on the list, we have the GPS key finder. Number 7, as we love to travel, we also love to listen to music. Then this next tech gadget is just for you. The Bluetooth beanie hat not only keeps you warm, but you can also listen to music without having the problems of losing your AirPods, as it is available in some awesome looks. And with some more features, you can consider it to buy for a Christmas gift. Number 6 is more for the sports viewer. It's the Segway Drift Skate. It is awesome one-wheel skateboard, which speeds up electric, and also has brakes. I hope so. There is one ultimate gift which cannot expire, with saying that our number 5 is the robot vacuum. This small robot is always a great helper at home and makes people happy. Number 4, women require the best care possible in all forms, especially at Christmas time. And there are technological gifts like the back and hand massager, which relieves stress. A massage cushion that is 15 by 13 inches will perfectly fit the contours of your neck and back to give your loved ones the most pleasant massage in Christmas. As Christmas is in the winter, it will stay cold at least until April or May. Then number 3 will help your loved ones to have warm hands this winter with the Aqua All rechargeable hand warmer. Number 2 is for the ones who like to stay more at home in the wintertime. So to have a great time while staying home, the Celestron Travel Scope 70 might help your loved ones to have a great time while watching the stars. Number 1, the best Christmas gift at the end, and it's nothing else than a mystery box. Just choose from which category you want the box, and you can even decide the price. Just simply search on eBay. So have you decided yet what you're gonna buy for Christmas? Let us know below in the comments. We provide you with all the information you need to know in the tech world. So stay tuned and subscribe so you don't miss out on our videos.